Before we dive into the getting started details, keep in mind that we have resources available on developer.bentley.com/get-started. This chapter just walks through the documented process on the web application quick start tutorial you can find on that link. To get started with the iTwin viewer, you'll only need to install Node.js since the iTwin viewer uses JavaScript. You can download and install Node.js at nodejs.org under their download section. Just remember to pick the appropriate version for your operating system. The installation comes included with two necessary tools that we use: npm, the Node.js package manager, and npx, which comes pre-bundled with npm. npx is a package runner and it will handle the rest of the installation and dependencies for us. The Node.js installation should prepare all the necessary tools for us to get started, and if you don't have a development environment already, we'd recommend using Microsoft Visual Studio Code, which can be found at code.visualstudio.com. We'll be using VS Code throughout the rest of the chapters, so once you have your development environment ready, let's jump into the terminal and get our iTwin viewer repository started.